Hi everyone, it's Wendy. Monthly video. Actually I got two of them here. I have no clue why I keep getting two. I should check to see which ones these are. This is going to be Annie's Annie's Creative Woman kit. I think this large one's October. What the little one says. This one's September. We'll see what's in the little one first. Has anyone ever noticed on the Amazon packages when they send you things in like this bubble wrap, it's hard to get it open and it says to just rip? That's the hardest one. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. So again, this is Annie's Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club, and this is the kit for September, I believe. I tend to do these at the end of the month because I'm waiting for everything to come in so I can do all my videos at once. This is pretty. Let's get it out of there so you can see what we got. It's called the Simply Stacked Bracelet. I should warn you, we might have a visitor because I am filming and my cat, Mittens, for some reason likes to come up and bug me when I'm filming. So we may have a visitor. Looks very simple. So you have round howlite stones, 6mm and 10mm. Oops, I got this upside down. So there's your stones, 10mm and 6mm. You got a druzy bar. I'm thinking that's this. Well, that's kind of neat. I don't know if you can see that in the packaging, but that is a neat bar. Actually, I might give this kit to my friend. She does jewelry. Look at that. It's like the inside of a geode. Metal wavy rondelettes, which are these. Oh, okay, now I see. Those are metal rondelettes. Then we have crystal rondelettes. We have metal curved tubes, which are these. I'm still trying to figure out the druzy bar. Whatever. Oh well, my friend may know. So we got all of that. We've got elastic cord. We got glue. This is B7000. Now, I'm familiar with E6000, which is a very strong glue. I'll have to read up on this one. I don't have my magnifiers on. But apparently, oh, okay. Apparently you can get 4 bracelets. Oh, and it shows you how to do a surgeon's knot, which is neat. So you can get 4 bracelets out of it. 5. Ooh, okay. So you can get 5 bracelets out of this kit. That's a very nice kit. I like how it's packaged because everything's right there for you. So that is a very nice, maybe my friend won't get it. What I'll do is I'll make them up and give them to my nieces. I've got 5 nieces now? one niece married, and he's got 3 kids, so I think he's got a boy and 2 girls, and 2 boys and a girl. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. But that'd be a neat little gift to make for them. Maybe I can give the kit to my friend and she'll make them for me. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Ooh, okay. So this is definitely an October kit. You know how I can tell? Because of the theme. Reversible door tags. So this is actually a Christmas and fall. Christmas, Thanksgiving, winter, fall kits. Let's pull that stuff out. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Now, as I go through stuff, I'm going to put it back in the bag so I don't lose it. It should have, there it is. This tells you exactly what's in there. This is a nice kit. Okay, so you got wooden tags, and there's 2 of them. So you got 2 wooden tags. You got paint, which is right here. And it looks like you got 2 white and a red. Now the thing is, you know, if you mix the white with the red, you get pink. You got a sealer in there, 2, I believe. Yep. Okay. You got a paintbrush, jute twine, floral wire. There's burlap ribbon. There's sandpaper. Neat sandpaper. I have found that whenever you buy wooden items like this, it's always good to take sandpaper to them. And as you can see, if you look here, these are all layered. Oh, I believe they're MDF boards, so they're nice. You got your autumn foliage and your winter foliage. So you basically, it's a couple craft picks, which are very nice. I like the simplicity of the designs. And it wouldn't, I mean, it wouldn't take long to do this. I mean, the thing that would take the longest is sanding the tags and painting them and waiting for them to dry. It tells you what else you'll need. Paper plate, paper towel, scissors, temporary adhesive. You've also got nice lightweight chipboard. You've also got rub-ons. And of course we got the always a popular red truck. For the longest time was mustaches. I never got the craze over mustache. But this red truck I could understand because it's kind of an iconic symbol. So you do paint one of the wooden tags red and put the Merry Christmas on there. And then you've got, of course, the truck. And then you've got, so you paint, for the fall one, you paint both of them white. Though, if you don't want a stark white, if you you can go with a cream or an off-white for the autumn one. And of course you got your little popsicle stick. So in a pinch, a quarter works just as well. Yes, I have used a quarter to put on. To put on rub-ons when I was in a pinch and I couldn't find my craft stick. And of course, after I got everything done, was putting everything away, I found my craft stick. I will take and put a link to Annie's Creative Woman Craft Kit of the Month down in the description box below. I'm not affiliated with any of these. I do pay for these out of my own money. So, and I'm always looking for some new craft kits to try. There are a couple that I want to buy and get. The thing is the cost. I'll look at them again after the new year. But if you want to suggest one, go ahead to. I got a new mat down. We'll see how long it takes for me to wreck this one. So that was the Annie's craft kits of the month, and I believe that was September, October. Maybe I got a bonus one. I don't know. I just received 2 packages. I have coming up, I will have videos for Pop Shop America, Adult Crafts, and also the monthly one I get from Scrapbooking with Me as soon as I find the envelope. I stuck it somewhere to be safe, and I can't remember where I stuck it. Oh well. And maybe in one of these videos we'll have a visitor. I don't know if she'll come. She might. She wants treats. So that was Annie's craft kit of the month. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.